Is Amua VitalDrops the secret to enhancing your curves and boosting your energy, or is it just another internet scam dressed up as a miracle solution? That's exactly what we're uncovering today. While the product boldly claims to naturally enhance feminine curves, increase appetite, and improve energy, a closer look raises more red flags than real results. There's a shocking lack of real information about the brand itself, no clear history, no transparency, and definitely no trustworthy credentials. Their website is filled with classic pressure tactics like, "only 6 bottles left," which instantly screams marketing manipulation. They even boast about being featured on major media platforms, yet offer zero proof to back those claims. When you dig into the ingredients ashwagandha, maca root, and L-arginine, they do have some general health benefits, but there's absolutely nothing here that clinically supports the bold body transformation promises they're making. What's even more troubling is the absence of any clinical trials or FDA approval, leaving us to question the safety and legitimacy of this supplement. Add to that the oddly generic 5-star reviews paired with stock photo images, and it all starts to feel a little too manufactured. While some users might feel slight changes due to the adaptogenic herbs, the bottom line is that there's not enough solid evidence to call this product either effective or completely fake. It's stuck somewhere in the gray zone, leaning heavily on hype rather than hard science.